COVID-19 has been rampant across the country and is thought to spread mainly person to person. We at Starr Floor Care Solutions take the COVID-19 virus very seriously and know we can prevent the spread of the virus through better hygiene habits like the ones outlined in this post. How long does it last on surfaces? Studies have shown that the COVID-19 virus can survive for up to 72 hours on plastic and stainless steel, less than 4 hours on copper, and less than 24 hours on cardboard. Best disinfection practices. Disinfection practices are important to reduce the potential for COVID-19 virus contamination in non-healthcare settings such as in the home, office, school, gyms, publicly accessible buildings, faith-based community centers, markets, transportation, and business settings or restaurants. Cleaning high-touch surfaces. High-touch surfaces should be identified for priority disinfection such as door and window handles, kitchen and food preparation areas, countertops, bathroom surfaces, toilets and taps, touchscreen personal devices, personal computer keyboards, and work surfaces. Continuing best practices. While cleaning is important, it is also important to continue hygiene habits like washing your hands frequently, staying 6 feet apart, and coughing or sneezing into your elbow or a tissue. For more information or to schedule a service, please call 410-826-5100 or visit our website at www.allstarfcs.com.